Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Weather. What's the weather out today? Let's look and see. Oh, I see something. It's raining. Oh my, it's raining. Oh, the flowers can get a drink of water. Oh, the flowers are getting water. They're getting a drink. How about our friends, the pumpkins? Look at how big they got. They need lots of water. Look. The pumpkin plants are getting fuller.
Hey, it's raining. I'm getting wet. I need an umbrella. Hey, I'm getting wet. I've got to get under the umbrella. Ah!
You see the cat named Sprinkles? Sprinkles is getting wet. Oh, he wants to go under the umbrella. You're getting wet, Sprinkles? Do you hear the rain? Oh, he's shaking off the water. Where did Sprinkles go? He is next to me. Sprinkles, you're getting wet. Hi, Sprinkles. Look, the ground is wet. That's called a puddle. When the water is on the ground, it's a puddle. Oh, I see a stick in the puddle and a leaf. It's a wet puddle. I see, you can splash in the puddle with your feet. Look, the sun came out and dried up all the rain. The deck is dry. Oh, look, it's nighttime. There's the sky. The sky is black now. It's raining. That was lightning. Isn't that cool? And now you're going to see your thunder. Thunder's making a noise. Wow, isn't that pretty? It's raining at night and we can see thunder. We can see lightning and we can hear thunder. Do you hear the raindrops? I see lightning. Isn't that cool? It's fun to watch lightning when you're inside.